Subscribe the channel ProzTech and press the bell icon to get latest technology videos once we release. More importantly, the subscription to the channel is completely free. Friends, nowadays smartphones are the need of everyone, and if you want to upgrade your smartphone to some other phone, then this video would help you decide what to buy and what not. Therefore, to get this useful information, watch this video completely till the end, because I am going to share all info with you, so you are at right place. Welcome friends, you are watching ProzTech, so let's get started. Friends, so starting with the Huawei Nova 3e device. It runs Android 8.0 Oreo and powered by high silicon Kirin 659 processor with 2.36 and 1.7 GHz octa-core with GPU Mali T830 MP2. Whereas Samsung Galaxy S8 works on Android 7.0 Nougat and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor octa-core 2.3 GHz with GPU Adreno 540. Moving on to display, then Huawei Nova 3e is 5.84 inches device with full HD TFT IPS LCD display having resolution 2280 by 1080 pixels and 432 ppi pixels density. Friends, you will also have face unlock option with EMUI 8.0 user interface in this device. Whereas Galaxy S8 is 5.8 inches device with dual edge Super AMOLED display having resolution 2960 by 1440 pixels with 470 ppi pixels density. You can also find Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection with 3D touch home button. Galaxy S8 is IP68 certified, dust or waterproof over 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Nova 3e is available in 64GB ROM with 4GB RAM and also support microSD up to 256GB that uses SIM2 slot. Friends, as far as concerned about this device colors, then Huawei has produced Nova 3e in midnight black, clean blue and sakura pink colors. Moving on to Galaxy S8, it is available in 64GB of internal storage with 4GB RAM and also supports microSD up to 256GB that uses SIM2 slot. Samsung has launched this new device in different colors, that is midnight black, orchid grey, arctic silver, coral blue and maple gold colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Nova 3e, it measures 148.6 by 71.2 by 7.4 mm of height, width and thickness, and it measures 145 grams of weight with dual nano SIM standby feature. This phone comes with front and back glass that gives a premium look to this device. Whereas the dimension of Galaxy S8 is 148.9 by 68.1 by 8 mm of thickness, weighing 155 grams with Corning Gorilla Glass back panel with dual nano SIM standby support. About the camera, then Huawei Nova 3e comes with 16 megapixels plus 2 megapixels dual primary cameras with hybrid zoom, 2.2 aperture, PDAF and LED flash. You can also find geotagging, face detection, touch focus, panorama and HDR. It shoots out videos of 1080p at 30 frames per second as well. Huawei Nova 3e also equipped with 16 megapixels secondary camera with 2.0 aperture and LED flash for selfie shootouts. Moving on to primary camera of Galaxy S8, then it is equipped with 12 megapixels with 1.7 aperture, face detection, autofocus with LED flash. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second with HDR dual video recording. You can also find 8 megapixels secondary camera with 1.7 aperture capable of video call and auto HDR. Friends, in Huawei Nova 3e, fingerprint scanner is placed on the rear side of the phone. Huawei Nova 3e is also having different sensors like proximity, hall sensor, ambient light sensor, compass, gyro and gravity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, fast battery charging, Type-C reversible connector, micro USB and USB 2.0, and it is powered by 3000 mAh non-removable battery also. Whereas Samsung has moved fingerprint scanner on the rear side of the phone just beside primary camera. In Galaxy S8, Samsung has added some new features like DeX and Bixby. For Bixby, there is a dedicated button on the side of this phone. This phone is also having NFC, Type-C reversible connector, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, fast battery charging option, and comes with 3000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.